Back to the channel. Glad to have you here. Here is how to make garlic tea, and we're going to talk about the benefits of garlic tea. Garlic tea is a flavorful drink that can be made easily at home. It has so many benefits, including helping with the immune system and helping to protect against infections and diseases, also lowering blood pressure by promoting relaxation of the blood vessels and reducing the risk of blood clots, reducing cholesterol as well, especially bad cholesterol that can cause problems with heart disease and stroke. Also, it helps to fight off infections because it has antimicrobial and antiviral properties. And also it is anti-inflammatory because it helps to reduce inflammation and pain associated with conditions such as osteoarthritis, rheumatoid arthritis, helps with the heart as well, and also helps with its anti-cancer effects. Now, I don't advise to drink garlic tea often because of the smell, but in certain conditions, in certain things that we go through, for example, when it comes to the cold and flu, it really helps to knock off these quite faster than the usual. Now, the way to make garlic tea is you need 4 to 5 garlic cloves, 2 cups of water, honey, and lemon juice. You start off by peeling and crushing 4 to 5 cloves of garlic and adding the crushed garlic to 2 cups of boiling water and letting it steep for about 10 to 15 minutes. Strain the tea and add honey or lemon juice for flavor if desired, and drink the tea while it is still warm. If you do want to get rid of the garlic smell afterwards, you can go ahead and choose some parsley, or you can take some peppermint as well. It helps with that. And you can also take a capsule of activated charcoal to help with the smell of the garlic. If you enjoyed today's content, subscribe to the channel. I'd love to have you on board. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one.